guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna go and install this wig that I got from SHEIN. Yes, another SHEIN wig. I'm gonna show a clip of the wig. The price started at $99, and then with adding my density and the length, my wig ended up being $130. And you know, SHEIN has points, baby, so in this video, I decided to do the no bald cap method. So I used a bald cap that is darker than my skin tone, and I just put some foundation on it to like make it match my skin tone a little more. And I saw it on TikTok. I'm gonna try more non-bald cap methods, because bald caps kind of take out your edges sometimes. So I'll just try it for now to see if it's better on my hairline and stuff. But yeah, you guys, all the products I'm using in this video, like the lace tint, the glue, and the wax stick, that will all be listed in the description box below, so be on the lookout for that. It'll be under my link tree, and if you follow my link tree, you should see the Amazon storefront on the top of my link tree links. And in these clips, I'm just trying to like push my hairline back, have an idea where my middle part is going to be, so I can prepare to glue down the wig. To have a better guide to where I should glue down the wig, I did this one trick I found on TikTok as well. It's using some translucent powder on the lace, so you don't go past that line of translucent powder and have glue on your forehead, which kind of messes up your install. So yeah, and I'm just gonna do section per section. I start with the middle and then I do the sides, so 3 sections in total. Also, when gluing down your wig, be sure to clean your forehead with some alcohol to get rid of any oils or like dirt or foundations or anything, because that will cause your wig not to stick as long. Y'all, excuse my faces in this video, bro. I was looking real lead. Anyways, yeah, I did like 2 to 3 layers of glue. So I just put one layer, let it clear, dry clear, and then put another layer, let it dry clear. You don't want to put it on when it's white, or else it's gonna become like chunky, and that's gonna be nasty. So yeah, and once I laid my lace on the glue, I try to comb the lace to the glue, so it's like actually sticking to the glue instead of just laying on top of it. Like, just see how I do it in the video. But yeah, you guys, this wig is supposed to be 200 density and 28 inches. So, and I bought my wig for $130, but it starts at $99. And that's pretty good. Like, if you go to like sites like Amazon for that density and that length, you're probably paying in the 200s. And don't get me started on the other vendors, you're probably paying in the 300s. So yeah, this is pretty good pricey. $130 for a 28-inch wig. That's 200 density. Pretty good. And to help it glue faster between layers, you can bring out like a mini fan or something. This is optional. You could just wait for it to air dry, but the mini fan, it come through. Yeah, and I just laid it down for a couple minutes, and then after that I cut off the lace so I could push the hairline back a little bit and like make some space for edges and stuff like that. And also, this is the time where I put in little spots of glue for the places that I missed. And this is the first time using this melting lace spray from Even, and it's actually really good. Like, I really liked it. It's better than the spirits, I would say, and it kind of helped the lace melt into my skin a little bit better. So yeah, just lay it down for like another 10 or so minutes, and then I get to the edge part. Here you see me putting on powder to make the lace blend a little bit more to my skin tone, and then I just pull out some edges for me to start doing edges. Y'all, I am not the best at edges, so, and I haven't done a wig in a while, so I wouldn't say this is my best work at doing edges, but you know, I just tried, you know, my best, so don't judge my edge work. Hello you guys, so this is the final install, the final look. So this is the SHEIN wig update. I just put some water in it, and so this is the result of the wig. The curl is giving more kinky curly, not water wave. It's not like wavy, it's more like on the kinkier side, and I could tell like it is like thicker. Of course the closure is like short, and then the hair is long, but remember this is SHEIN. This is supposedly 28 inches, so I'm gonna turn around and show it to you guys. She is looking through on me from the back. I'm not sure if it's 28 inches or not. But I am 6 feet tall, so 28 inches, maybe a little bit shorter than me. But otherwise, I really do think this SHEIN wig hits the spot. I haven't done like a wig video in so long, you guys. Like, life update, like, I got a new job, so I work from home now. So I actually got some confidence already today. My mom said I look really nice. She likes this hair. So I also like this hair too. Like, I haven't installed a wig, like a frontal, in so long. Like, yeah, I haven't installed a wig in a frontal in so long. Like, I've gotten installs, but installing myself, I haven't done it so long because I like my edges. So I've been usually wearing headband wigs, which are pretty ugly. Let's be real, they're pretty ugly. But like, they save your edges, so I can't even be mad at it, you know what I'm saying? If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and a subscribe. Comment any other like videos you would want me to do. I'm gonna be more active this year for sure. If you guys didn't watch my last vlog, I went to Dubai in October. And actually, I'm about to go to Mexico next week. Sorry. Yeah, I went to Dubai in October, and Dubai was just the experience, okay? Like, I had the time of my life, okay? And I just posted that vlog like last 2 weeks ago, and I am so wrong for that. I am so sorry. But like, there was just so much going on. You know, the holidays is coming. For all products, I'm gonna start posting my products on the Amazon storefront. I used a lot of products, like brand new things like this one. Saw this on TikTok, and I was like, let me cop it. I don't know if it's gonna focus on it or anything, but I was like, let me cop it, because it was actually pretty good. Like, this thing right here, the way my laces melted, like, whoa, I was not expecting. And it was lifting a little bit on this side when I was doing the edges, because I forgot to use the like I said, I haven't done the install month, so I forgot to use the comb on it, so like that's how I was kind of lifting a little bit. But even with the lift, like, it still was hitting, and I kind of overplucked on this side a little bit. Ignore that. I'm not a pro. I don't do hair. Like, people ask me, oh my god, you do hair? I'm like, no, I actually don't. I don't do hair. I will mess you up. like especially like different head shapes, hairlines. Like, I could follow a little TikTok tutorial, but just know it's not gonna be perfect. Especially when I get to that edge part. Like when that edge part comes, it's already a done wrap for me. Like I just do what I can. I do the little swoops, fini. But one needs to go. But yeah, I'm gonna do my hair videos because I realize my hair videos do pretty good. Ooh, I'm probably gonna post a hair clip, claw clip of me doing it, and then we can see what it look like. The claw clip, round claw clip thing. I'm probably gonna do it actually in this video, probably maybe on a TikTok even. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see y'all on the next video.